Think your car is safe from thieves? Think again. Every 30 seconds, a vehicle is stolen somewhere around the world. And the shocking part? Most car owners don't even realize how easy they make it for thieves. From smart key hacks to relay attacks and old-school tricks. Today's criminals are smarter than ever. But guess what? You're about to become smarter than them. In this video, we're revealing 17 secret tactics to stop car theft. Methods car thieves hate because they actually work. Whether you drive a brand new SUV or a trusty old sedan, these tips can be the difference between keeping your car or losing it forever. And hey, before we start, do yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell for Car Care Xpert. We give you real advice that keeps your car safer, cleaner, and running like new. Don't wait until your car is gone to learn the truth. Let's jump into the first tactic that might just save your ride. Tactic number 1, always park in well-lit areas. Dark spots are a car thief's playground. When your vehicle is parked in the shadows, it becomes an easy and discreet target. Always look for spots directly under streetlights, near building entrances, or in high-traffic areas. Thieves are less likely to target cars where they're easily seen or caught on camera. Even if it means walking a little farther, your car's safety is worth a few extra steps. Think parking location doesn't matter? Wait until you hear what tactic number 2 reveals about keyless entry hacks. Tactic number 2, use a signal-blocking Faraday pouch. Keyless entry is convenient, but it's also vulnerable. Thieves can use relay devices to capture the signal from your key fob, even from inside your home, and unlock your car without ever touching a window. A Faraday pouch blocks these signals, protecting your car from this rising type of tech theft. It's cheap, simple, and one of the smartest things you can buy today. You've blocked the signal. Great. But what if the thief is already inside your car? Tactic number 3 tackles that threat head-on. Tactic number 3, install a hidden kill switch. This is one of the most effective and least known tactics. A hidden kill switch disables your ignition system unless it's manually deactivated, preventing your car from starting, even if the thief has the key. Install it in a discreet spot only you know. It's like giving your car a secret password. Without it, the engine won't turn over. Want to scare off thieves before they even try? The next tactic sends a clear warning. Tactic number 4, use steering wheel locks. Visible deterrents like steering wheel locks make thieves think twice. These bulky devices send one message: this car is protected. Most thieves want a fast, easy steal, and seeing a bright metal lock across the wheel tells them this job isn't worth the risk. Plus, modern locks are tough to break. Visibility helps, but so does tracking. What if your car still gets stolen? Tactic number 5 is your digital watchdog. Tactic number 5, install a GPS tracker. Even with all precautions, theft can still happen. A GPS tracker hidden in your car gives you a fighting chance to recover it quickly. Real-time location tracking lets you notify authorities and boost your chances of getting the vehicle back. Sometimes within hours. Some even come with remote shutdown features. But why wait for the theft to happen? The next trick can stop thieves before they even touch your car. Tactic number 6, always lock doors and close windows. Sounds basic, right? But you'd be shocked how many people leave their doors unlocked or windows cracked, especially when making quick stops. Thieves are opportunists. An unlocked car is a gift. Always double check before walking away. Remote fobs sometimes fail, so confirm the beep and tug the handle if needed. Want to catch a thief in the act? Tactic number 7 is your secret surveillance partner. Tactic number 7, install dash cams with parking mode. Modern dash cams do more than just record your drives. They can watch over your car even when it's parked. Look for models with motion detection and parking surveillance. If someone approaches your vehicle, the cam starts recording. Pair it with cloud backup, and you'll have evidence even if the thief takes the dash cam itself. Great tech. Now let's talk psychology. The next tactic plays mind games with criminals. Tactic number 8, use fake security stickers or LEDs. Thieves often decide whether to break in within seconds. A simple flashing LED or a "this car is GPS tracked" sticker can be enough to deter them. Even if you don't have the actual system installed, the illusion of protection can be just as powerful as the real thing. But sometimes thieves don't need to break in. They can just tow your car. The next tip locks your ride down. Tactic number 9, use wheel locks or tire clamps. For high-risk areas or long-term parking, wheel locks and tire clamps are excellent deterrents. They prevent the car from moving, even if the thief manages to start the engine or hook it to a tow truck. Visual and physical protection in one, hard to beat. Ever lend your car to a friend? You'll want to hear tactic number 10 before doing that again. Tactic number 10, never leave keys with valets or strangers. Valet keys often give full access to your car's systems. Some thieves even pose as valets. If you must hand over your keys, use a valet key, if your car has one, or remove important items and disable access to your glove box or trunk. Better yet, don't leave keys with anyone you don't fully trust. Ready for an easy, low-cost change that makes a big difference? Tactic number 11 is for you. Tactic number 11, keep registration and insurance out of the car. Leaving your registration and insurance card in your glove box might seem harmless, but it's a goldmine for thieves. If your car gets stolen and those documents are inside, they've got your name, address, and possibly even your garage code. Some criminals use this info to rob your home before you even realize your car is gone. Keep digital copies on your phone and store physical copies at home or in a hidden, locked compartment. Think your personal data is safe in your car? Tactic number 12 reveals how thieves use tech to steal from you silently. Tactic number 12, beware of OBD port theft. Modern thieves know about the OBD port. It's like the brainstem of your car. With the right tools, they can access it, reprogram a blank key, and drive off like they own it. This is especially risky for push-to-start cars. Use an OBD port lock or relocate the port with a custom mount to block unauthorized access. High-tech theft is on the rise, but the next tactic is a simple, low-tech hack that still works wonders. Tactic number 13, use manual transmission if possible. Here's a shocking fact. Many young car thieves don't know how to drive manual. That stick shift you hate? It might save your car. Manual cars are stolen far less frequently. If you can drive one or are buying a new car, consider it as a built-in anti-theft feature. Not ready to switch gears? No worries. Tactic number 14 is about turning your smartphone into a security system. Tactic number 14, use smartphone alerts and geofencing. Most modern cars come with connected apps. These apps can alert you if your car is unlocked, moved, or broken into. Some even let you draw a geofence, a boundary your car shouldn't cross without your permission. Real-time alerts buy you precious minutes to contact the police, activate kill switches, or lock the car remotely. Speaking of tech, wait till you hear how license plate frames can protect your ride. Tactic number 15, install anti-theft license plate frames. Thieves often steal plates to disguise stolen cars. If your plate is easy to pop off, it could be used in another crime before you even notice it's gone. Use tamper-proof screws and anti-theft frames. They're inexpensive and create a serious roadblock for criminals. Plate protected? Great. Now let's get personal, because your driving habits might be making you an easy target. Tactic number 16, never leave your car running unattended. It's cold out. You warm up the car while you grab a coffee. Seems harmless, right? Wrong. This is the #1 invitation for thieves. Here is a pro tip. If your car doesn't have remote start with auto lock, never walk away while it's running. Some insurance policies won't cover theft if you left it unattended with the engine on. Almost there. The final tactic is the ultimate combo of low-tech and high-tech defense. Tactic number 17, combine multiple layers of defense. Here's the truth. No single tactic can 100% stop a thief, but layering them together makes your car an unattractive target. A steering lock, hidden kill switch, dash cam, GPS tracker, alarm system, and window etching create a fortress. Think like a thief. Would you risk stealing a car with 4 to 5 security systems when there's a basic one parked next to it? Not likely. And there you have it. 17 powerful, battle-tested tactics to protect your car from thieves who think they can outsmart you. But remember, knowing is only half the battle. It's what you do with this information that protects your ride. Don't just park and hope. Take action today. Add at least 3 of these tactics to your car's defense system this week. And hey, if this video opened your eyes or even saved you from a future disaster, smash that like button, tap subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss another crucial tip from Car Care Xpert. Got your own car theft prevention trick? Drop it in the comments below. Your advice might just save someone else. And until next time, stay alert, stay protected, and drive smart.